vehicle. And I didn't see anywhere, and I told the crowd, don't leave them, मैम जबकि while
Speak a sentence, then I'll be able to translate it.
जबकि मुझे बहुत चोट लगी हुई थी.
In fact, or you can say though I was really, though, THOUGH, though.
THOUGH, yeah. Though I was very I hurted.
I was badly hurt. I
was badly hurt. But that time I went front of that guys. There was one of the boy. His he's bleeding of his head.
Okay, we are going to mention this sentence like this, that his head was full of bleeding.
His head is full of bleeding. And then we stopped there, and I couldn't say anything. And there was 4 to 5 boys. मैम उसको उठाया और
pick them up or pick him up.
Yeah, pick them up and keep the jeep. Keep a jeep, and they went an hospital, and they went a hospital.
To a hospital, yes.
To a hospital, and we went to back home. But that time I didn't know he was lie or not. live मैम जिंदा है कि नहीं है?
Alive or not? Alive. जिंदा है या नहीं? Alive.
He was alive or not, because he was very hurted, badly hurted, and he bleeding so much of. Yes, ma'am.
Past tense of hurt is hurt itself.
Yes, ma'am. He was badly hurt, and he was bleeding, so much of bleeding of his head.
Okay, very well done. You have actually told an incident which belongs to a past tense, and yes, you've used a lot of past tense in that, but I wanted to make you do, all of you. Very well done.
Ma'am, it happened with me.
That you, when you start explaining about the incident, you keep on explaining. You wanted to say that?
Ma'am, it happened with me. ये मेरे साथ हो चुका है.
Okay, it happened. Okay. When you started speaking though, that no, I understood that something is related to your life. You have not like you're not making up the story or something like that. We have understood that. Okay. Coming to the points, Geetu ji, we was. You have repeated it many a times. We were. Too many people are there. So we went. Okay. Crowd was collected. Crowd is never collected. Crowd is gathered.
Cloud is gathered.
Yes. Collection of stamps is there. Collection of things is there. Collection of products are there. But for crowd, because they are living beings, so we'll be using gathered. GATHERED. Gathered, or there is one more word if you want me to tell you, that is mustered. MUSTER. MUSTER. Mustered. That is also can be used for the crowd. That is what I'm saying. Okay. Yes. One of the boys.
One of the boys.
one of the boys. We have discussed this. We went to back home. No, we returned.
We returned.
Simple. Let us keep it simple. We returned. No preposition is required. No past tense is required. Nothing complicated. Let us simple. We returned back home, or sorry, not back. If you're using return, do not use back. We returned home. All right.
Returned home.
Now, Neetha, you there?
Yes, ma'am. I have written both topic terrific and terrible.
Okay.
First, I tell you about terrible. One day, my son ate nail when he was 12 to 13 months old. That day, that day was terrible for me. My husband and I fixed the TV on wall. We did not look after on my son. We were busy in our work. Suddenly, I saw that he put something in his mouth. So my husband and I were terrified, and my husband started to cry. So I said, "Don't cry. We should do anything very carefully." And I thought very sincerely, and I told to my husband that you hold my son opposite side, and I removed that nail which he ate. And after that, we went to doctor because of any precaution, but doctor said he is fine. You should give liquid only liquid for 2 days. From that day, I always keep my eyesight on my son. That's it, ma'am. This is terrible.
I would like to.
And in terrific, it was most terrific experience when I took the workshop handwriting improvement class by a ma'am. She provided me 26 students, and I done my work by hard work and by hard work and honestly. Before starting workshop, she said to me many questions. You want close connection to me, and did you take any workshop of any activity? I said I never take workshop in group, and I also asked the question, why do you want to work with me? She said, I saw your work. Your work is very good, and I can't take all workshop. So finally, I agreed with her, and I took the workshop for 15 days, and every parent was very happy with my work. That's
Fabulous. Great. One of the have used both the topics so that your expression comes out really good. First thing. Second thing, Nidhi, by hard work and loyalty
it.
instead of use with hard work and loyalty. By hard work. With. As a use before
Ma'am, I couldn't get what is the word?
with 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 hard work and loyalty.
With hard work. Okay.
Yes.
With hard work.
You have said I never take any workshops. I never took any workshops.
I never take any workshop.
I never took any workshops. Or I have never taken any
Took. I never took any workshop.
Right. Okay. Here you must have understood. Please, all of you mute yourself. There is kind of disturbance at the back. Okay. So I would like to mention here that from today's class, you must have concluded at this point that application of simple present tense and simple past tense is not that easy the way you feel. Now, one more thing which is left in today's class, I wanted to do it, but because of time, we would like to do it tomorrow. That is a speaking activity though. So I'll become a teacher tomorrow and you all will become the parent. Now, this is parent-teacher meeting. Now, what happened basically, when it comes to the interaction directly with the person, especially with those people who are proficient in English, who have good command over English, we get fumble there. So we will be doing some kind of activities which are related and directly connected to me, all of you. One-to-one, it would be there, all right. But meanwhile, other two will be doing some that activity which is connected to both of them, because I don't want to squander the time of the class. Your class is really valuable and I want to keep the way of it. First. Second, are you people writing down the vocabulary, or shall I give you 2-3 words right now? Are you people writing it down? Has anybody written?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't write. Please give. You give.
Word. Okay. The topic we were discussing today was also one of the terrible moments. So I would like to mention here a word related to the same. Endure. Let me write this word. Please note it is an important word and it is used a lot. Endure. It was running in my mind at that point of time, but I could not mention it. So I wrote it like in my diary to let you know all. Endure. It means suffering the pain at a great level. Suffering the pain at a great level. For example, I was enduring that moment, or I was not able to endure that moment. So that endure means suffering the pain at a great intensity. बहुत ही ज़्यादा intensity पे जब आप कोई pain suffer करते हो, so we use this one word for it, that is endure. Got my point? Anyone who has the doubt here? Okay. The person who is not able to walk or walk only on one leg, what do you call that person? What do you call that person? The person who walk on one leg. Can anybody tell me? Geetu ji, Nimita ji, you there? Geetu ji, Nimita ji, you are on mute, both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you people know this word?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I'm writing the word. Please note it down. In Hindi, I should not use this word basically. But the person who walks only on one leg is cripple.
Cripple.
One who cannot hear. One who cannot hear. Any one of you would like to mention that? One who cannot hear?
Yes,
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, yes.
it means one who walk on one leg.
Who walks on one leg. एक leg पे.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका एक leg ठीक नहीं होता. Who walks on one leg. Cripple. The person is not able to hear. जो नहीं सुन पाता. The person is called.
Ma'am, deaf.
Deaf.
The pronunciation is wrong, but the word is correct. Deaf. 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 Alright. The person is not able to speak.
Ma'am,
Dumb. D-U-M-B.
Yes. D-U-M-B. Right.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of dumb?
जो बोल नहीं सकता. The one who is not able to speak. Dumb. D-U-M-B. One more thing. This is the last point. I'm just concluding my class here. We should not use word for such kind of people like they're impaired. People use the word impaired. I-M-P-A-I-R-E-D. They're visual impaired or they're impaired from hearing. So
Hearing impaired, visually impaired.
yes, so instead of that, we should use differently abled. This is one of the words which is frequently used nowadays everywhere in the society. So this you must be aware of. Differently abled. कि मतलब उनमें कुछ अलग तरह की ability है. This is the reason government has given them a new word, which is differently abled.
And one word is given for that children is actually in our B.Ed and M.Ed course. We said special child.
Special child, absolutely right. There is a special code. It means
Before some years, people use this term impaired or this type, but now we always use special child, child with special ability.
yes, like B.Ed was a course when I have done B.Ed regular, so it was like of 2 years. But few of my friends have opted for this B.Ed in special education. So it is also
Yes,
one of
ma'am.
the
That's
nowadays
why special
numerous
education.
also there. Too many vacancies are there for the same, and they are actually getting a very good pay for it. So
Yeah.
yes, thank you for sharing that term also with us. Excellent. Have a nice
Okay,
day.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Thank
nice.
you. I sometimes forget. So please just drop a message on over the group. Okay. Drop a message in the group so that I can share a worksheet or something related to you, which is
Yes, ma'am.
connected. All right. Bye,
Yes,
everyone.
ma'am.
Take Amita ji, you take care especially properly. We want you to
Yes,
be fine as soon as possible. Okay, bye,
yes.
bye, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.